Hi and welcome back. We're here in Skippy's garden. It's now the 1st of July. It's not June anymore, is it now? No. So we got a Santa, we got a Skippy, and Jamie's joined us from Australia. And we're going to do a quick look around the garden. First, I think we'll go to this Japanese wineberry, which, what is this now? 2 years, 3 years, third season.
So 2.5 years.
So fed with Ormus from the beginning, and it is just enormous. There's no fruit yet, but look at these wonderful sticky things. Like, this thing has just gone everywhere. I think it's been trimmed back and cut back because it takes over the garden. Look at it, both sides all the way through. And if you can compare that to this one here, this is the original wineberry. So this is 10 years old or so, and it's got to its sort of maximum size and sat there. And even though it's been having Ormus, it's not really growing any bigger. But this thing, crazy. The grapevine now at all. And it's been trimmed back away from here. We've got something extra special going on in here. But now all that horrible, nasty illness is gone. It's full of baby grapes. It was a great crop last year. It looks like Skippy's going to have to come in here and do some serious pruning back. Most amazing success this year so far is this. So this is Goji Berry. We all love our Goji berries. This got planted. You can see it goes all the way up through the top, and it's gone everywhere. This was planted September down here somewhere. So over the winter it's sat there and it's grown a bit, and then we're only halfway through the summer and we've got what, 3-4 meters of growth here. So these are supposed to take 3 years to get to this sort of size, and it's basically had a winter and half a summer, and it's just huge.
And they're supposed to have this color leaf, eh?
Are they?
Yeah, grey-green. I thought it was a disease. No, I looked it up and said, no, that's what the leaf is supposed to do.
Yeah. Okay. So did you plant one of these, or have you got two? There's two. Yeah. So there's one here disappearing up and off. And they should take, what, 3 years to get to that size?
Yeah.
Yeah.
3.5 meters. Well, this is already 5. It's not even a year old.
Sil's just come back. This is actually Sil's garden. Say hello to all the internet fans.
Hey, hello.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, it's actually Sil's garden, isn't it, really?
Yeah.
Yeah. What have we got going on around the back? Oh, we're early enough in the year this year to get the red currants. We've been missing the red currants on the last videos. The birds get to them normally before I get the video. And they're giant.
Yeah, I know.
Giant currants.
They're really big. Looking really good. They're just a bit sour still.
A few more weeks.
No, a few more days, man.
A few more days.
And they'll be gone.
I'm going to eat some. Loads of apples this year. Many apples. And these, what were these called? These are Brahman.
Bram.
Bran. These things are just divine. I need the really dark ones. If you like raspberries, these things are just the best things. Loads going down there. Oh, well, it's going to graze our way around Skippy's garden for a while. And yeah, this is what happens when you grow with Ormus and nice organic fertilizers and worm juice, and keep all the chemicals out. Well, there we go. We'll make some more videos later in the year and see what else comes up. Oh, the plum tree. Wow. The sick, dead little plum tree has just recovered. Look at that. It's all new. Fantastic. Hi and welcome back. It's Wineberry Day in Skippy's garden. It's now the middle of summer. Well, we're on 1st of August tomorrow or something, isn't it? That's today, is it 1st of August today? Something like that. Mmm. Oh dear, oh dear. I'll have to look up the top where Skippy can't reach.
I've got my ladder standing at the ready, mate.
Mm-mm. This is the sunny side. I want to plant great fields and fields of this.
It's about €5 for each 25 you eat when you buy them at our wine.
Yeah, one of those. That's €5 in the shop.
So every top you see is more than €5 because there's more than 2,500. Unbelievable. I've already got about 4 kilos, 4.5 kilos in the freezer. I'll pick another 2-3 kilos off it.
It's so taken over the garden.
Yeah,
The
well,
strawberries
at
have
that
given
price,
up underneath there.
Make jam of it, or just frozen and all. Chuck them in your yogurt.
Oh, like wine from the wine berries.
Oh no, what would the Japanese do?
Oh, the currants are just perfect now.
See, the plums are back. That one's been. Oh, look at this beauty here.
Ooh. Might get a few fruit off this.
That's been a very sick tree, eh?
Mm.
And we saved it with chloral silver.
Yeah, it's had a lot of growth on it.
Well, look at all the mushrooms on it. So it was gone. They're gone now, but the whole tree was full of them. And then look at the grape.
The grapes are doing great. And it's been really wet. It's been raining like every day. I think there's a bit much fruit and bush on that. it's trying to be a little bit adventurous there with how much it's producing.
Go with it. Don't fight against it. Look at more grapes than these.
Yeah. Well.
And even the goji berry is full of flowers.
Oh wow.
See?
Yep. Okay, we're looking at Skippy's goji berry bush again here, which went in 23rd of September. What's the date today? When are we?
26th, 27th of August.
Okay, so it's had almost 1 year, right? And that's where it started from. So then all of that is goji berry bush, all the way out there, out to here.
Follow this one.
So all the way to there. Okay, and look, goji berry flowers. Okay, so it's flowered in its first year, and it's got little ones here. It might even make some fruit. I think that will depend on the weather.
Follow that twig. It's
here.
It's about 6 meters. It goes straight through the vine.
Yeah, right through. The wineberry's gone for now. Has it gone? Disappears into the wineberry somewhere. No, I can't see it. Comes to here somewhere and then it disappears. But that's quite phenomenal for 1 year's growth. So what's this story about them taking 3 and 4 years to grow before they make fruit and all this sort of thing?
Before they go to 3.5 meters.
Yay. Let there be goji berries.